Former Union Minister Dr. Ranjan has called for geography-based delimitation exercise in Manipur, asserting that constituency boundaries should be drawn on the land, not on the people. He noted that the state's assembly map has remained unchanged since 1973, when it was framed on the basis of 1971 census at a time when Manipur had around 11 lakh population and only 9 districts. Today, with an estimated population of over 33 lakh and 16 districts, the demographic and administrative realities have significantly evolved, yet 60 assembly constituencies continue under the old framework. He clarified that although Delimitation Commission was constituted in 2002, exercise in Manipur was deferred by a presidential order in February of 2008 due to security reasons, and the 1973 delimitation remains in force. Referring to the upcoming census of 2027, formally notified in June of 2025, he said fresh enumeration would provide updated demographic data, including detailed caste and community figures, forming the constitutional basis for a new delimitation likely to begin in 2028. He also pointed out that 128th Constitutional Amendment on women's reservation mandates one-third reservation in assembly and parliamentary seats, which must align with the first delimitation after the census. Emphasizing transparency and public consultation, Dr. Ranjan proposed reorganizing constituencies based on natural geographical zones, including Manipur Valley and 4 hill regions, instead of ethnic settlement patterns, and suggested that the assembly's strength could be increased from 60 to 72 seats in proportion to population growth. He maintained that a fair, data-driven and geography-based delimitation is essential to ensure democratic balance and long-term stability in the state.